Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to Stitch and Calculation. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make this main crossbody bag you are seeing on the screen. Maybe you want to use it for commercial purpose or for personal use. It's very perfect for daily use. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So this is the fashion leather material I'll be using to make the bag. For the measurement, the length is 8 inches while the wideness is 10 inches. If you see, I've already curved the edges of the top and the down. What I did is that I just used the scissors to just curve it a little bit to give it a round shape. I've cut out the extra pocket and the measurement I cut out is 6 inches length by 10.5 inches wide. The reason why I add the 5 inches allowance to it is because of the sewing allowance when I'm joining into the front. Then I cut out lining for the front and the pocket. Now I'll be working on the extra pocket. So I place the lining down and take the extra pocket, place it on it and stitch it together. I've stitched it together right side facing each other. I will turn it over for top stitching, but before that I will add the hoist to it for easy sewing. When turning it over, make sure the lining is at the back, then you top stitch it. I've top stitched it and if you see, the lining is at the back. Now I will stitch it round together with the lining. I've stitched it round and trim out the essence line. Now I will join the pocket together with the front. I turn it to the back side for stitching because I have to leave out the trimming aspect before stitching it. So that is the reason why I have to turn it to the back side for stitching. I've stitched it together. Now I will turn it to the back side to trim out the essence. Then I cut out small pieces to cover the start and stop of the cut. I will take the small pieces of the leather, place it at the middle of the front by centralizing it. Then I will stitch it together a little bit. Now I will take the cord, I will place it on it and I will stitch it round with it till I get to where I start. Sorry about that, I forget to place the lining under it before stitching it. After getting to where I start, I will cut out the essence cord. Then I will use the cord wrap to cover it and stitch it together. Now I'm done stitching it together with the cord. You can see the way it look like. Please don't forget to stitch your lining together with it. So to get the back side, I use the front side to get the back side by placing it on the material. Then I use the biro to trim it out and I cut it. Then I'll be adding the cord to it the way I did to the front side. I'm done with the back side. Now we move to the base. I've made the base already because I've made a similar video of this bag before. So if you want to make it yourself, click the link in the description box below to watch on how to make it. If you look at the similar video I made before, in the aspect of the ring holder, in that video I cut out small belt to hold the ring, but in this video I'm using a long belt which is 13 inches to hold the ring, and the long belt I cut out is 45 inches to hold the adjuster. Now I'll be joining the base and the front and back together. I'll fold the base, I'll fold it into two by centralizing it. After that, I will notch out the midpoint both sides. Then I'll take the front, I'll fold it into two by centralizing it and notch out the midpoint. Then I'll be joining both the base and the front together, notch point to notch point, and stitch it round together. After that, I will use the taping to tape it at once. So I've joined the front and back together with the base and also use the taping to tape it at once. You can see the neatness. Now I'll be turning it over. Now I'll be working on the ring holder. So I'll be inserting the ring and the belt together. After that, I'll fold the belt inside twice. Then I will stitch it. Now I'll be working on the long belt by adding the adjuster to it. I'll fold it inside and stitch it. Now I'll be adding logo to it to make it stand out. Now I've added the logo to it. So the crossbody bag is ready, and if you have really enjoyed watching this video and you have learned something from it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye. Stay tuned.